Good morning, everybody. It is your pre-market update for January 15th. As you can see, again, we had a tumultuous session again in the ES futures overnight. At what point? At one point, and you can't see it right here, but we were up a good 15 handles, and then we dropped on Swiss National Bank News on their currency here. They raised the ceiling on the Swiss franc. Swiss franc ripped to the moon, and the Swiss markets dropped a good 11%, sending us down a nice 14 handles, I think, at the lows here. And if you notice now, we've now shored up and we're back to sort of flat on the open here. So another crazy overnight session, which means probably more nonsense here off the open. Longs and shorts are both continuing to get thrown around. You can look at yesterday's session. We saw the same thing. Down most of the day, up off the open, and then screaming high here in the afternoon off of an oil move. So first things first, let's check the oil move here this morning. I'm using this USO. We can see here we're pushing higher, pushing higher. We are over the highs from yesterday. A lot of people playing these ETFs, UCO, UWTI, these three times sort of reverse bear and bull ETFs to play oil. So watch the energy sector today. So take a look at the XLE. Watch some of the the beat down names, the COGs of the world, the EOGs of the world, the PXDs of the world, maybe even some drillers, the rig, the DO. There's a lot of oil and gas stocks to play here. There's a lot of news here this morning as well. Let's take a look at Bank of America reported earnings. Stock is down. Trading profits were down trading revenues were down. So we can see this thing down at 15 and a half now. Citigroup also reported. This one is also down as well. If things couldn't get worse for these things, I'm still kind of waiting for a balance on this stuff, but I don't know when I don't know when that'll happen. Some other interesting news here is BlackBerry. Crazy session overnight. Samsung was talking about buying it out for about I think 12 and a half to 15 a share, and then something happened overnight. It got absolutely crushed. We got what else we got? We got Best Buy earnings that are out. This one's down as well. Nobody goes to freaking Best Buy anymore, though. And then you got Intel here as well. Intel came out with earnings. This thing is pretty much flat. Jobless claims here, 8:30, which just came out. Let's see what happened off the SPY as far as a reaction. Yeah, we're floating higher here. We're floating higher here. So jobless claims came out. Empire Fed manufacturing came out as well. So needless to say, today I'm thinking is going to be a pretty choppy session here, similar to yesterday's action. If you go back to the last 10 days here on the SPY, I mean, obviously you can see we've come out a lot. There is bearishness sort of all over these different sectors, especially the bank sectors as well. All these financials are getting hit. So it's going to be difficult for things to catch a bid. Some names, though, that are strong regardless here are definitely this Apple, which I was trading all day yesterday, trying to get it to go through that gap. So if you go back to that 10-day, I was really trying to get it to go through this gap here to 108. You can see this gap here, 108. Couldn't do it. Stock's holding at 110. Still thinking it's possible, but she's been holding this 109. Somebody is buying 109 very aggressively. Twitter and Facebook, more names here that are still pretty bullish here despite the selling on the indexes. And then you have the biotechs as well. So the IBBs of the world, the Gileads, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. We'll see you later this afternoon here for the trading update. Honestly, me and my guys, we're looking to just scalp the SPY. We're looking to just trade the SPY because this thing is trading very erratically. You can catch a point on the SPY very quickly. So that's really all we need to trade right now until the market figures out what the hell it wants to do. We'll see you this afternoon.